Hey everyone, and welcome to your next episode of Cooking with Nichole. Tonight, here comes a kid-friendly, low-carb or keto recipe. I know my son loves corn dogs. He has a t-shirt that says, "I will do anything for a corn dog." So, gonna give this homage to him tonight. To make it everyday, simple, and low carb and keto, we're going to use the Good D's baking mix. We're going to use the cornbread mix. I know there are a number of low carb or keto cornbread recipes out on Pinterest, so if you'd rather make it from scratch, you're more than welcome to, but to keep it easy today, I'm going to use the baking mix. You can pick this up at Strong Pour or Wellness District in West Fargo, North Dakota off of our online store, or come on in. Oven's ready. The oven's all ready. It's all preheated to 325 for us. So you can pick this up at Wellness District or Strong Pour or online. So we're going to just prepare this according to the package directions. So I have 3 eggs already in the bowl. I have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar all ready to go, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And so we're just going to pour all of this stuff together here. And then we're going to just mix it by hand because it mixes by hand real easy. Grab my spatula back here and get all of the yellow buttery goodness. And we're going to use a mini corn dog pan tonight. You could make this into bigger muffins if you'd like, but I thought it would make it even more fun for the kiddos when it's small, right? Kids like small, tiny little things. And so we're gonna use a mini muffin pan. So a serving size is gonna be 2 of the mini muffins. And so we'll get going with our batter. Then once we get the batter all mixed up and poured into our muffin tin here, we're going to stick down into it a hot dog. So I have cut up 6 hot dogs into 4. So it gave me a total of 24 hot dog chunks. I'm using the Oscar Mayer Angus beef hot dog because it is a pure beef hot dog, much better for you. There's a lot of less fillers in it, and it's less than a gram of carbohydrate. A lot of hot dogs, because it is a processed meat, and this is probably again more of a dirty keto recipe, like the one I saw for a bigger, fatter hot dog was 4 grams of carbs per hot dog. So this is the lowest carb hot dog that I could find in the grocery store today while I was preparing for this recipe. So we're just gonna stir this all up until it's good and combined. And then we're gonna pour it into our already greased with some spray olive oil baking muffin tin. The recipe, the original inspiration for this recipe said to line it with liners. Well, I have never seen mini muffin liners, and so if you know of them, by all means, please go ahead and use them, but I just sprayed the pan down just so that it wouldn't stick. And you're gonna fill each one of the cups about a half to 2/3 full, because you want room to put the hot dog down into it without it overflowing. And so to make things simple, I'm just going to use a tablespoon just to make the filling process easier here. And we're just going to drop that down into the muffin tin. And just a skosh bit more. And we're going to push down into it then one of our hot dog chunks, and you can see how it comes up around the side of it, and as it cooks it's going to continue to come up around the side of the hot dog, and it's going to create that corn dog like shape and capacity. We're going to continue to do this with each one of the muffin cups here. You're going to pop it in the oven and bake it at 325, and we already heard that my oven is ready. You're going to bake it for about 18 minutes. A serving size, like I said, is 2 of the mini corn dog muffins, and you're going to, it's going to cost you about 208 calories. It's only 1.3 grams of net carb and 8 grams of protein. using these ingredients. Now, if you did choose to use an online recipe, the nutrition facts information is going to be a little different. No harm, no foul, whatever is easier for you. I'm going to continue to fill these in. We'll have some pictures ready for you after they come out of the oven. This is your sweet deal tonight. I hope you all enjoy. Have a good night.